Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create quiz in Google Forms. So first go to Google Forms and sign in with your account. Now over here click on templates and you can see the quiz template over here. Click on there and you can see a blank quiz template. Now you can edit this and make your own quiz, so you can even read the tutorial from here, or you can just make a quiz from here directly. So this quiz title and description, and then let's add a question. So after that it's done. That's how you create a quiz in Google Forms. Now you can just share it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.